In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Turbotax Deluxe using the updated method. Now before we dive in, it's important to make sure you're ready to say goodbye to Turbotax Deluxe, whether you're switching to another service or opting for a different version that better suits your needs. So let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the TurboTax official site. You can easily do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the TurboTax website address. Once the homepage loads, the next step is to locate the Sign In button, which you'll find at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to begin the process of accessing your account. After signing in, you'll be taken to your TurboTax home. This is the hub where you can find and manage your tax documents and services. Look for the Intuit account section. It's like a doorway to all the administrative features you might need, including managing your subscriptions. Once you are in the Intuit account section, the option you need is Manage Subscription. Clicking on it will lead you into a more detailed view of the services you are currently subscribed to. This is where you can make changes. Following this, you'll spot the Products and Billing tab. Click on that and you'll see a list of your active subscriptions. This area is designed to give you a deeper insight into the billing cycles, costs, and management options available on your account. This is particularly important as it will also contain any pertinent cancellation details you need to be aware of. As you follow through these steps, remember that cancelling might lead to changes in your financial data accessibility within the software. So, it's a good idea to download or save any necessary documents before proceeding, ensuring that all your important paperwork is securely backed up. Once you are on the products and billing page, you should be able to see an option to cancel your TurboTax Deluxe subscription. Click on it and follow any further prompts to confirm your cancellation. And there you have it, the cancellation process will be complete. By now you've successfully navigated through the cancellation steps for TurboTax Deluxe. It's worth noting that changes in subscription services might also affect any promotional offerings or renewal bonuses tied to your account, so be sure to consider these factors too. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, TurboTax's customer service is available to help guide you through the process. That's all for today's tutorial on cancelling TurboTax Deluxe. Quite straightforward once you know where to go and what to click. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.